world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. I apologize, this has been the longest I have ever been between videos. Okay. Yes, a few Thursdays ago, I broke my hand. Okay, some of the smally bits in here, blah, blah. Okay. And the stuff I wanted to show you, slip joints, so it doesn't really work one-handed. Now, my hand feels much better, and I can touch all my fingers, and everything is working fine again, or much better. So let's quickly look at this. This is not going to be an in-depth look today. This is just to show you what I got in during this last while. Before we get into that, I also got this, and you know I'm a big fan of these brass Zippos. So I'm gonna get this one and see if I can make it like new again. Okay, so we'll do that maybe tomorrow. Yes, we don't need a lot of dexterity for that. Then this stuff I bought on Bid or Buy, and it was from an awesome seller, Bespoke Trading Post. Go check him out. Anyway, we have 5 of these small ones. Now this one is pretty cool. This is a rally. Okay, I'm not going to go into these small ones now. We'll do a separate video on all of them. And then these ones, I just need to show you one. Okay, these ones are cool because 3 of them are not your normal SD classics. They are... Okay, that's a pen blade. These things have not been used or opened for a very long time, so I need to wash and clean everything, and I will show you now. Anyway, this is the one with the straight up file or the nail cleaning tip. So this is not a SD screwdriver classic. This is just a Victorinox classic. Okay, so there we go. Lots of small ones. And then I got lots of these. I love these 91mm knives. Now let's quickly just show you like this. This one has got a saw on it. It does not have scissors. So this is a camper. Okay, but now let's see. I know this one is the normal stainless Victorinox. Do you see it over there? And at the back we have the normal officer shoes, okay, but we do not have the little umbrella. Okay, so a newer one. Then this one says Bruce 0604. Okay, but it's got, where this one has got the what do you call it, corkscrew. This one has got the Phillips head screwdriver, and then everything else is the same. So this one is a hiker. Okay, we'll go into all the details and the things later. I'm just showing you what I got. Otherwise, this is going to be a very long video again. Okay, this one has got your normal opening layer. Just give me a second. Okay, sorry, I'm back. Quick delivery. Okay, so this one has got the Phillips head screwdriver on the back, and then it's got the normal things you get on a Spartan, which makes this thing a Tinker. Okay, very nice. Everybody loves a Tinker. Then over here we have the same Phillips head. We have the same setup exactly, but we can see this one is a bit different. What does it say over there? I cannot really... Oh yes, I can. Victorinox, Swiss made, stainless. And then this one is 84mm instead of a 91mm. Okay, so very cool. 2 types of Tinkers. Then this guy, corkscrew, all standard opening layer. We have our standard blade. This is one of the older ones. Do you see the little umbrella? And it should say Rostfrei at the bottom also. Yes, it does. And then what do we have in here extra? Why can't I find it? Is there anything else? Oh, of course. The saw. Okay, so this is a camper with the old shield. Very nice. An older one. So this is an old camper, and I love a good camper. Okay, we'll go into that at some stage. Then this one, what do we have on this one? Corkscrew, all. It's a Spartan. Okay, so we have a normal Spartan over here. Very nice. Then, getting into the big boys. Our corkscrew, our package opener. And our all. Let's get to that main blade first. Okay, we have our Swiss made stainless steel. We have the badge without the thingy key. We also have our scissors. Nice, spring is still fine. I have not seen anyone with things missing, so these things are in awesome shape. And then we also have our shawl, which means this is a huntsman. Very nice. Now, I love a good huntsman, so you can never have too many of those. And then last thing in this box is this guy, which has got the saw. And we have our scissors. Nice. And then we still have our corkscrew. And then over here, oh, it says all the normal things, as well as a Rostfrey, and we have the cool shield again, the old one. So this is an older huntsman. Very nice. Okay, so we have all of these marvelous things that we will look at. Then I want to show you this. Okay, this came pretty much a day or so before this. This is from the Sharp Edge. So I've got a 110mm, what's this thing? Scale for a Victorinox, but with a pocket clip. So we will be doing something with that. We have a 91mm in black, but it's the plus scales with the pen. So we will be doing something with that. Then we have 10 green ones. That's toothpicks. 10 black ones. There's something different about them. Okay, these are the straight ones. That's for 84 and 58. 84? Yeah, and 58mm knives. And these ones are the normal. Do you see they're slanty? That's for your 91mm toothpicks. We have a little 58. 58, that's the one I'm looking for. 58 for these small ones. Scales for that. I have tweezers for the big ones in grey, and for the smaller ones in black. None of this match. Okay, and then we have a nice Victorinox sticker. That makes me happy too. Okay, so we will definitely be tuning a few of these guys. And then in a previous video I told you, I'm pretty sure none of these will actually have pins in there. You see where you put the pin in? That little spot over there. And then I told you can use the normal button, what's the stuff called? Needles, or the other ones. Now, I buy these things. I bought these from a crazy store. The little headed or round headed, what's those things? Pins. And then these guys. Fantastic, and they fit in there beautifully. I'll show you when we go through these and do something to them. And I think both of these together cost me like 45 Rand, which is $2 and a few cents. Where normally if you buy one pin, I think it's 5 Rand, 7 Rand, something like that. So it's not expensive. You can buy the real ones, but you're not going to know the difference. Okay, and I think that's going to be me for now. It's Friday. Sorry again for letting you stew for so long. I'm back. We will later have a copy giveaway. We will look at a few more Rough Riders. I have a few awesome things on the way. Okay. Yeah. Think South African guys. That's going to be fantastic. Not South African things that people overseas can't buy. You'll see when it gets here. Okay. So for now, all of you stay safe, happy. Have a good one. Goodbye. Okay, Pancake Festival again. Good job. Okay, we have all kinds of pancakes. Okay, we have chicken mayonnaise pancakes. Our pancakes are more like crepes than pancakes. We have bacon and cheese, we have chicken mayo, we have peppermint crisp tart, we have lemon meringue tart, we have bobotie, cheese and mince, everything you can imagine in a pancake you can find here. Russian mushroom cheese, and this one is apple strudel. Mushroom, onion and Russians, apple strudel and whatever the kids are doing. Okay, this was lovely. Now we're going home.
Kaggies, dankie. Dankie julle dat julle hier